The Ozurcheck range of compressor nebulizers are designed for high-quality delivery of medicine in mist format for management of various respiratory conditions. Let's understand how to use Ozurcheck Premier Nebulizer. Inside the kit, you will get a compressor nebulizer, child and adult masks, nebulizer bottle, mouthpiece, air tube, and spare air filters along with a power cord. Please go through the operation manual of the device before using it. First of all, you should place your nebulizer on a flat surface properly. Ensure that you will be able to reach the switch later. Ozurcheck Premier offers an inbuilt compartment for storing the accessories. Open the cover of the compartment and remove the accessories from inside. Remember that the nebulizer kit should be cleaned thoroughly. For this, you should pour them in warm water and dry them with a clean towel. Next, gently twist the top part of the nebulizer bottle counterclockwise to disassemble the nebulizer bottle. Be sure that the cone is inserted in the bottom part of the nebulizer bottle. Now, fill in the bottom part of the nebulizer with the prescribed quantity of medication. Please do not try to exceed the quantity prescribed or the maximum level of the bottom section. Twist the top part of nebulizer bottle clockwise to assemble the bottle. Now, your nebulizer bottle is ready to be used. Take the air tube supplied inside the kit. Connect one end of the air tube to the nebulizer bottle and the other end to the compressor nebulizer machine. Attach the mouthpiece or the mask to the nebulizer bottle. You may use either of the options of mask or mouthpiece as per your convenience. Plug the power cord to the power socket of the compressor nebulizer. Ensure that the switch is off while connecting the power cord. Now, turn on the switch on the left side on the inside of the compartment. Hold the nebulizer bottle straight and wait until aerosol starts generating in it. Once you will see aerosol coming out of it, place it in your mouth and inhale the medication while breathing normally. Do not tilt nebulizer bottle beyond 45 degrees as the medicine may spill. Exhale as normal through the mouthpiece or mask. Once you will finish the treatment, switch off the power button. Don't forget to clean the nebulizer bottle components again with warm water after use. Also remember to change the air filters every few months. Do not put air filter in air tube hole. For more details on our products or for support, visit www.ozurcheck.com.